Once quoted by Mahatma Gandhi, silence is the best answer to anger. Hi everyone, my name is Amaira Purwal from grade 6A. Though, can I ask you something right away? Have you ever had an awkward silence? You know that moment when you're in a room with someone and no one says anything? And it gets really weird really fast. Or take this for example, you're in a room with your best friend and suddenly you're out of gossips and just staring at the floor, no talking, no music, not even a cough, just crickets. That happens with me all the time. Though, yeah, that's silence, but sometimes silence isn't just quiet, sometimes silence is loud. Wait, what? Silence can be loud? Yes, indeed, silence can be loud. And that's what I want to talk about today. Something known as the riot of silence. Well, normally, when we hear the word riot, words like noise, chaos, people yelling, destruction come in our mind. Or maybe throwing stuff, like the paper balls in class when the teacher's not looking. Not like I'm saying I've done that. Anyway, on the other hand, when we hear the word silence, words like mindfulness and peaceful come in our mind. And please, not teachers. Though, when silence becomes a riot, it has the power to shake the world. It can scream, it can roar louder than words. You see, when I was young, I wondered how is it even possible for two worlds to be in one world. That was me when I did not know what it is. But now I finally know. A riot of silence is when people choose not to speak, not to use their voice, but to remain silent. Now, let me share you my own experience. I remember I was playing in the park and I saw an overweight kid of my age. He was surrounded by laughter, voices, comments were being made, casual, dismissive, and layered with bias. I wanted to speak up, I wanted to correct, I wanted to challenge, but I didn't. It wasn't about me directly, it was about people like me. The instinct was to speak up, but I didn't. Because the voice was caught in the throat and buried under the learned politeness and fear of being thrown into the box labeled too sensitive. So, that day, I carried a riot within, and that very riot spread through me like a wildfire. Every heartbeat was a silent protest. Every breath I held back was a silent refusal, even though my mouth was shut. My silence was not consent. It was a refusal to perform, to explain, to justify my existence. It was resistance in its most restrained form. It was the look in your eyes moment that said, I heard you, I saw you, and I choose not to let you own this moment. Because it wasn't fear, it was weariness. And every battle isn't on the battlefield. Some are just waged within. Like silence is its own kind of war. Unmistakable, unforgettable, unforgivable. Got it? Now, something else that happens with us in our daily lives must be like the silent treatment. Have you ever got into a fight with anyone you know? And instead of arguing and yelling, they just ignore you? No eye contact, nothing. And somehow, that hurts you even more if they had yelled or argued. That's a riot of silence. Or how about the brave kind of silence? Like when someone sees something wrong, like bullying, they don't spread the rumor, they remain silent. That's a riot of silence. But with that, let me share you a quick story. Me and my dad had a really big fight. I mean, we argued day and night, and then it all suddenly stopped. Then he acted like I wasn't in the home. No eye contact, nothing. I was devastated as it hit me hard with pain, but curious, wondering how his silence hurt me more than his slap. Well, that was a long time ago. Though, can I ask you something? Have you ever had a moment of silence where you wanted to say something but you didn't? Not because you were scared, but you were strong. Or maybe you were thinking deeply. Any hands? Well, how can we use the riot of silence? As students, we can use the right of silence in many possible and positive ways, like simply show that we do not support bullying, injustice, or unfair rules in school or society. Or maybe not laugh at mean jokes, or maybe not take part in gossip, like that. Though, what makes silence so important? Silence is important and powerful in various ways and in various scenarios. Let me give you 3 examples. It brings unity, it demands respect, and it makes you heard. Let me give an example. Now, we both had an argument. Hey, you, what did you do? But you still remain silent. So it makes the arguer think, what is his or her silence trying to say? That's how. But how does silence help us grow? We live in a world that's super loud. I mean, phones dinging, notifications ringing, and talking non-stop. But with that, we forgot how it feels to just sit in silence and think who we are, how others feel, how we feel, what we care about. Because that silence, it isn't boring, it's important. Though, what if we use silence more? What if we gave ourselves quiet time to dream big, to plan, to imagine? What if instead of saying something mean, we took a pause and chose silence instead? What if we took a pause, gave ourselves time, and summarize? That's when silence becomes powerful. That's when silence becomes a riot. Though I'm not saying to never speak up. Of course, we have to speak up. Like injustice in action, someone needs help, we have to speak up. But silence, it isn't always the answer. Silence is enough. Silence is strong. Silence is wise. Silence is something that can make the biggest differences. So, let's try something very interesting for just 5 seconds. On my first clap, we all are going to close our eyes and it's just us and our thoughts. On my second clap, we all are going to open our eyes, summarize how we felt in our minds. Let's start. So, how did we feel? Maybe calm, uncomfortable, or maybe we were zooming around with our ideas. Whatever it was, that was your personal right of silence. So, my final message is when there's a moment of silence, don't rush in to fill it. Pause. Because that silence might be saying something louder than words. And you might be hearing your voice for the very first time. As silence, it isn't always empty. It's sometimes full of meaning, answers, emotions. Though I was always confused, wondering, what is stronger? Riot, silence, riot, silence. Well, that's up to you now. Because that was my time, this is yours. With that, I'd like to end with a quote, silence is true wisdom's best reply. Thank you.